video, we're gonna cut bangs because this girl right here, she doesn't have that much money for a hairdresser and it's a lockdown in Austria, so we're gonna cut her bangs. We did do the tips a few times and I did color her hair once, so it's not that bad, but I've never cut bangs. I've only cut my own bangs like a little bit, like I trimmed them, never done full-on bangs, so it's gonna be interesting. Let's see what we got. Scissors. What kind of scissors?
Kitchen scissors.
Really? What? No. Okay, so this is Verena, by the way. She's gonna show you what we got to get this shit done. First.
I don't like this. Do I have to do it?
Yes. Wow. To cut the bangs, we got scissors. These are hairdresser scissors, right?
Yes.
I mean, they are good enough. We haven't used them for paper and shit, so I guess hairdresser scissors. Got a little comb here, like this. Got two clip thingies to clip back her hair. Got a flat iron and a little cape. So let's prepare everything. Okay, so while this heats up, we are gonna section off the hair. We're gonna do the famous triangle that apparently you gotta do when you cut bangs. So hold your head here. I mean, I kind of like it. We can always do more.
Yeah.
We can always do more. Let's just straighten this real quick. Let's just consult a professional.
How to a beautiful side swept bang, a front style with me. So you created this.
Okay, so we are gonna section it off in the middle. I'm gonna put this to the side. Like so. Next.
Okay, now I'm gonna take out my razor. This
We
thing
don't have a
is so
razor.
handy because it just makes everything so much.
Oh my god.
Well, thanks.
I mean, I do not hate it. It's quite, how do you say that? Stufig?
Layery.
It's layery.
Feathered, it really goes down the side of your face. You don't need to do
What to do for seconds of it?
The
So you
secret
finish
is
this
just not to
one.
lot.
And
Okay,
here's the other one.
so simple. Let's take down that next
So
section.
simple.
Then we'll finish this one side and then do the other one. A bit screwed. This. No! How do I do this? Well, I kind of want to do it like this, but that's wrong. Ooh. Okay, one side is still longer, but other than that, you're not looking bad. So we're gonna get more hair because she doesn't want so tiny bangs. So we're gonna do more. You can always do more. Don't start with like a third of your head because you might fuck it up. yeah. Girl. This
Yeah.
side, I'm really liking this side. This is like full-on side swept bang action. Oh god.
Nice.
It's getting somewhere! Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the shorter pieces that are in the center. And we'll try to, like, feather them. Is that the term?
We don't know.
It's really not that bad. I like it, but it's not like super visible, unfortunately. It's like thin, but we can add more in the next video. I think it's thin. We're gonna try to style it. I'll be right back. So we tried to kind of style them with a straightening iron. Problem is, there's not that many bangs, like we didn't get enough, I think, but it's not a total fail, so thumbs up.
Yay.
How do we feel?
We feel pretty.
We feel pale. Let me just...
Nice, we feel tan and pretty.
Wait. This one here. How do we like? I like this. No, this side. I like. That's the whole. Right. Well, that was it with the video. We're probably gonna do this again. So, as she said, there might be a part 2 where we go full on bangs. This time I was just a bit scared, to be honest, because I mean it is a lockdown and no one's gonna see her, but still I would see her and I would cry every day if I fuck it up, so we kept it really cautious and stuff, but I kind of like it, so maybe I'll be more brave next time. See you all in a bit and bye. Do you want to start?
The bed, Mondo.
The bed? Okay.
Come back for part 2.